Bienvenidos al canal AliBlueBox.
Welcome to the AliBlueBox YouTube channel. Let's pick up where we left off with the NaviLens application. Just a quick reminder that you can see all of the videos that I've made about the application on the NaviLens playlist. Today I'll be talking you through another one of the NaviLens features. Today I'm going shopping with NaviLens. Right now, this feature is only available for Kellogg's products. However, I want to show you how easy it would be if everything in the supermarket had NaviLens codes on it. In the following video, you will hear supermarket background noises, my iPhone, VoiceOver, and my narration. This will help to clarify certain things. If you have any doubts or questions, don't hesitate to contact me via WhatsApp on +34 688 77 6782. Anyway, I won't go into any more detail. Let's go to the supermarket. So, I've just got to the cereal aisle. Kellogg's cereals are here too. As I mentioned in the introduction, at the moment, NaviLens codes are only on the Kellogg's products. So what I'm going to do is open the NaviLens app.
NaviLens. NaviLens. Kellogg's Special K Dark. Kellogg's Special K Dark Chocolate Cereal 375. Kellogg's Special K Red Fruit Cereal 300 grams.
As soon as I open the NaviLens app, you can see the codes are already being detected. Just to let you know, I'm standing in front of the cereal shelves. Kellogg's cereals can be found here too. Obviously, Kellogg's has different types of cereals within the same brand. So, what I'm going to do is, with my phone at chest height, move it slowly from left to right, and after that I'm going to crouch down and do the same again. Why am I doing that? Well, basically, it's so my iPhone picks up the codes with the NaviLens app.
Kellogg's Special K Classic Cereal 375. Kellogg's Special K Red Fruit Cereal. Kellogg's Special K. To read a code, point your camera at it.
So, after gliding the phone from left to right in front of the products, what we need to do now is point the camera down. This is so the NaviLens application can detect different codes and VoiceOver doesn't drive us mad. Only one code will come up on the main screen. So what we need to do is go to the top of the screen and flick to the right until we get to previously seen codes. Once you're here, select this option. You will find all of the previously detected codes by NaviLens here.
Kellogg's Special K Classic Cereal 375 grams. Filter and locate. Kellogg's Special K Classic Cereal 375 grams. Kellogg's Show More. Previously seen codes. Button. Previously seen. Kellogg's Special K. Stopping scan.
So, as you've just heard, I've now selected previously seen codes. By selecting this option, NaviLens will stop searching for codes. So here, you can find a list of all the codes that have been detected by the NaviLens app, all of which are different types of Kellogg's cereals. As I normally buy the dark chocolate ones, I'm going to flick to the right until I get to filter and locate so I can find them. Once located, the app will tell me where they are so I can buy them.
Previously seen codes. Kellogg's Special K Classic Cereal 375 grams. Filter and locate. Kellogg's Special K Classic Cereal 375 grams. Kellogg's Special K Milk Chocolate 307. Filter and locate. Kellogg's Special K Dark Chocolate Cereal 375 grams. Button. Filter and locate. Kellogg's Special K Dark. Filtering and locating Kellogg's Special K Dark Chocolate Cereal 375 grams. Looking for Kellogg's Special K Dark Chocolate Cereal 375 grams. Ahead. .360 vision. Ahead. Here.
Did you hear that? It said here. That means that the box of cereal is just in front of the camera on my phone. So now it's just a question of picking up the cereals and putting them in my basket. But wait, you should also know that NaviLens not only helps you to locate products, but it can also give you nutritional information too. It can tell you about the ingredients and even those associated with allergies and intolerances. To get this information, I'm going to flick to the right until I get to Show More Information and select this option.
On your right. On your left. Ahead. Looking for Kellogg's Special Show More Information button. Kellogg's Special K Dark Chocolate Cereal 375 grams. Net weight 375 grams estimated. Recommended serving size is 30 grams. 12 servings per pack. Crunchy rice. Whole wheat and barley flakes with chocolate curls. Energy 537 kilojoules.
Okay, great. So you now know how to find nutritional information. If you want to know more about the products or about the NaviLens application, I suggest you download it and give it a try by heading to the supermarket yourself. Wait until you see how amazing it is. Quick thing, make sure you pay attention to the instructions that NaviLens gives you along the way. For example, vibrations, sounds, verbal instructions and things like that. So, there you have it. You can see how easy it is to find items in the supermarket using NaviLens. Hopefully, it will be available for other products too soon and make the lives of partially sighted and blind people that much easier. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, click on like, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye!